Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Doge has not really moved much since the last update. However, I've changed the support zone a little bit. I've made a slight adjustment in the microstructure. Nothing major and nothing because of any invalidation, just to increase precision, basically. The idea is that down here, when the price bottomed in our support zone in August, I think I shifted the 1-2 setup because I see this now as a diagonal itself down here. So this was a wave 1. A bit of an ugly diagonal, but it kind of makes sense to count it that way. So we have a 1, 2, 3, short third wave, but valid. So actually the wave count that we had initially, remember that was the count we had initially. It's actually, we went back to that. Then here a wave 2. I moved away from that originally because this wave 2 was so shallow, but it is what it is. We had a 1, 2, and then another 1, 2. And the idea is we're now in this third wave. Actually, you could probably add another 1, 2 here, but it wouldn't have a great impact on the support zone. So that moved support, I think, from around 21 cents up to 25 cents, which is better because it's closer to the price. It reduces risk. Which means that as long as the price is holding above that 25-cent level, the price should reach, well, $1 plus in the coming weeks and months. And I would not even be surprised if it reaches like this upside target zone, 132, 162, 211. No problem eventually, right? The wave count overall definitely allows for that. At the moment, we are in this blue target zone, which is located between 34.4 and 84 cents. Within this larger degree third wave. So the idea is we bottomed in a B wave in August and we're now in this C wave of wave 3. And that was the B wave in wave 3, the August low. And we completed waves 1, 2, we're now in the third wave. And then this is an internal fourth, fifth of a third wave. Then wave 4, 5 to complete this entire pattern. That's the roadmap. That's what I'd like to see. And that means the price pretty much just needs to do a little bit more of a consolidation, not even a massive one, in the current wave 4. We can go to the smaller time frame, which is here the 1 hour chart, and you can see this pretty much just been moving sideways, so no change there. And the price is moving through this correction as anticipated. I think in the last update I shared with you my idea of a micro structure. This has been followed so far. So we had the initial A wave down. I think that was what we saw in the last video. I shared with you a B wave bounce is likely. And we could be sort of in the wave C maybe, or maybe even a triangle is forming, yeah? But it doesn't need to be a massive wave 4. Support starts at 34 cents, then we've got 28.8 and 25. As I said, you see that I could probably add another 1, 2 setup here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that actually this third sits up here. But I'm not entirely sure because you could count this as 5 waves already. And in the end, it would just move up the support area a little bit from 25 cents to around about 28. I mean, that is quite a bit, but I don't want to make it too tight. So it's good to give it a bit of space, right? So that means as long as we're holding above 25 cents, the overall bullish thesis can continue. This wave 2 here took 4 days, 5 days. And the current wave 4 started only like a couple of days ago. So it might take maybe another couple of days or so to complete this wave 4. Not an absolute must, but we could maybe just 1 or 2 more days to complete that wave 4 correction. And then we'll see. I mean, below 25 cents, it would require a larger reinterpretation of the chart, right? But for now, we can go with the wave count that we have. We can watch for higher prices. Bear in mind, a fourth wave is usually characterized by fake outs. It can also be a triangle pattern, for example, this fourth wave. So there can be some more messy price action. Yeah, that's at the moment pretty much how I see the Doge chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.